best country bass lines. Today I've got the best country bass lines for you, and this is just one of many country bass lines. And if you haven't checked out the video I have here that's got 10 top country bass lines that are some of the best traditional way back when, some of the just best, the true country bass lines that you need to learn and you want to know just to advance yourself. Learn these bass lines, emulate these guys, and you're doing something, okay? And today's country bass line is going to be Glenn Campbell's Southern Nights, played by the bassist Billy Graham. And this is just funky. It's not even your standard country stuff. Those guys just knew how to groove and just handle the pocket there. They weren't just your basic stuff. They were making it just enjoyable, and that's how it got so popular, was because of the groove is what did it. And this song right here, like I say, it borderline Glenn Campbell stuff, borderline pop and country. It mixed the two together, and it really brought it mainstream, and his stuff was great. He was a wonderful musician, just an amazing musician as well, and he'd been in this business his entire life, so he knew what he was doing. And so you definitely got to show him some respect, and that was it. And now this bass line you're gonna learn is groovy, and it's not easy. You're gonna want to sit down with it and play along with it. And I'll just give you the ideas of it, just to get the, just to give you somewhere to start from, a starting point. And it's in the key of E. Okay, the chord progression is 1, 6, 2, and then it goes to the 4, 1, 1, 6, 2, 4, and then to the 5, which will resolve us back to that E, okay? So that's chord progression 1, 6, 2, 4, 5, okay? Now it starts off at just the beginning, and he's just anticipating that downbeat there. So that's, it's not just boom, boom, and that's what gives it its feel, is anticipating that beat like he does. Okay, so that's just the beginning, first 2 bars, and it comes in. So here's the bass line. Right, so that is it right there. That's pretty much the entire bass line. They just stop every now and then. They go back to the intro, as a lot of Glenn Campbell stuff did. There wasn't like, there were choruses and verses, but they all kind of just tie together. The verse goes right into the chorus, and it's just like one section. The easiest way, to simplify these songs is just to break them down into, bigger sections, but less sections. Okay, so this is typically 3 sections in there. Not a whole lot in the structure, but just a great song, fun song to play too, and it really gets you, it opens you up that you can improvise a little bit and add your style in this. But learn his style first, and then mix yours in as well. Add his style to your style to help you make you a more versatile bassist. Okay, so that's just basically, like I say, the E. And all that is just a little rhythm thing there. It's not just a straight. It does an E to F sharp. So it's E to F sharp, and then G sharp to A to C, B, and then the C sharp to B to C sharp. But he's real staccato about that. He's real sparse. There's not, it's on the ands and uhs of the 1E and uhs, but it's it's real. It's not a lot of notes, and some ghost notes in there. you know, he's really utilizing everything a standard country bassist would do. So follow Billy Graham stuff. He's played a lot of Glenn Campbell's. He's been around for quite a while. He's done a lot of stuff. So, you know, follow him as a bassist. Great bassist. He's there for a reason. So definitely follow him. Check him out. So back to the song. E to F sharp, G sharp, A to B to C sharp to B, C sharp, D, E flat or D sharp, D, D sharp, E, and then there we are at the top of the verse. And then the 1-5 move, E to B, and then back to E, kind of on the upbeat, the anticipating the downbeat, the 4, or the, I think it's probably the 4 because he moves right into the C sharp, the 6th. And then it's going to be B, C to C sharp. And then here he's just utilizing the 4, the G sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. And then to the F sharp, the 2. And then here he does a lot of that in here, and a lot of his licks in here. Not a lot of it, there's several times he does that hammer on, and it's that whole step hammer on to the root there. And he does it here on the 4 and 5 as well on the B. But you know, so listen for that. And then he goes from the F sharp to the A. And then here he's real sparse. But he's on. So just, you know, get a feel for it, but that's really all he's doing. He does on this B, this at the turnaround, the B going into the E, he does a B and then an E to F, and then walks up chromatically the A flat, A, B flat to B, and then he does like a dead note here, a ghost note, and then back to the E, okay, and then back to the top. Okay, and then it just goes back to the top again. I mean, back to the intro. And just repeats that. And it does it again 3 times. The 3rd time it actually doesn't go from the B to the E. It's before you go to the back to the B, they take us back to the E. Kind of like a break, but it's not. It's the same, you know, it's the same, just that E, just the intro part. It just brings us into that intro part sooner than typically in the first 2 verses, okay? That's all it is. But definitely give the song a listen. Give Glenn Campbell some love. He's definitely deserves it. Great musician, great vocalist, just almost ahead of his time. He was on top. He was right there kind of pushing that beat, pushing the envelope to country music and just, you know, giving it something different. And it probably was the start. His stuff was probably the start of, you know, country music moving in the direction that it moved, to getting them more airplay, more airtime, and just giving it a more popular, you know, pushing it more mainstream. But yeah, it's just some good stuff. So definitely, if you haven't seen my other videos, I've got the top 10 videos. Check out what you saw, and there's a link here for the video I just did on the road again. And coming up, I've got a great country bass solo that you'll want to check out as well. That'll be in the next video, so definitely subscribe, hit that bell notification, get in the loop, and don't miss a beat. And I'm Donald Witt, the bass instructor with the How to Play Bass online course at iwannaplaybass.com. Jump over there, get your free ebook, subscribe, get your free ebook on setting your bass up. Everything you need to know on setting this bad boy up, making it right, intonation, fret nut, adjusting everything, your bridge saddles, everything you need to know to get this thing right for you is all there. So definitely subscribe. When you're serious about reaching your bass playing goals, sign up, become a member, and I'll see you in the next video.